quad bikes or ATVs, depending on which country you come from, whatever you call it. And we are gonna go and explore Ghost Town, Kayakoy first, and we're gonna have breakfast there.
Let's go. I feel like I'm gonna fall out of this.
What is this?
It's an ostrich. The eggs are like, I think it's a delicacy.
They look so weird.
We just arrived at Kayakoy, also known as Ghost Town. We just stopped by a quick breakfast break, then we'll take a hike up and show you guys around.
We also partied really hard last night, so we're moving a little slow.
So the tickets are 10 liras as of 2020. Definitely worth the spend.
How many people could you fit in this church?
I don't think everyone was allowed in here. Let me see. So this is an 18th century church built by the inhabitants from 18th century.
That was quite the hike, but totally worth it. If you're in the Fethiye area, I highly suggest going to Kayakoy and paying the entry fee. It's 10 lira, like we mentioned earlier, and you get amazing views. And when you hike up, you just see the the empty houses, but then when you get to the top of the hill, the whole other side is an amazing sea view.
Let's go! We are here. Beautiful though.
We just got to the beach and we are right across from St. Nicholas Island, where we went a couple days ago on our boat tour, and that is where the tomb of St. Nicholas is.
Up there, guys, in that small mountain in the middle.
We are heading to Fethiye, where we're gonna hop on a sunset boat cruise with some other expat friends we've met in our time here. And we are dressed all fancy tonight, if you can't tell. And we're color coordinating to make my mom's Christmas card look the best as possible. Our bus has arrived in the nick of time.
Hello. Hey.
What are you drinking, Bernice?
White wine bass and bar dark booze, which is
What's up? Hey, that's him. That's the boss right there. That's boss lady.
love your brother.
Let me get those on video.
Okay, there you go. Cowboy.
Wow!
Woo, Dallas, Texas.
Let's go.
check out the views, man. So beautiful, no? So amazing.
What do you think about Fethiye?
Oh, man.
I'm in love.
Everyone is in love with
I'm not
Fethiye.
gonna leave. I'm not gonna leave. I'm supposed to leave on Wednesday. I'm not gonna leave.
I moved here last August. This is my first year.
So he was in
I used to
UK.
live in England for 20 years.
Oh,
And I said I had enough. I took my kids and a wife and I came here. You know what? That's the best decision I ever made.
We're on a beautiful sunset boat tour with our friends that we made in Fethiye, and these are some beautiful moments we're happy to share with you. Meet Mel.
Oh, hello.
We have our captain.
Oh, hello. It's me.
We have Dee Dee. We have James.
Big brother.
Hello.
Sit down. We have our new friends.
I love the
We have the Americans.
biggest captain is there. That's the biggest one.
Oh, hey, it's your
That is the
earring.
big
Oh, my cowboy boot. What the hell?
Oh!
They're both gone.
Whoa, we can't lose our captain, guys.
Yeah. This is a scary shot for the captain.
I like your thumbs up, bro.
This is the best boat tour we've done in Turkey.
Can you ski?
And if you follow our YouTube channel, you've seen a few.